Alrighty, guys, coming back here with a second trade today. We look like we're getting a pretty good little breakdown here in the markets. This area of interest over here that we've got, this is the hour chart, but we'll go down to the 15-minute chart and kind of give you an idea of what we're looking at here. We've had a little pullback off of this area that we've predetermined as our area where this is a pivot, so where the markets may turn around at. If we see the markets go ahead and continue to break down, there's a good chance we'll run down to somewhere in this area. So we're going to put a sell stop in below this previously tested low, and we'll come back and check in on that a little while. So we're going to do a sell. We're just going to do two contracts here. That way, as we always suggest, you can do about, and we're going to put profit taker on it so that we can show how this trade plays out. And I'll move that around for you guys. But we want to make it realistic to people because you can really, for about every $5,000 in your account, you could probably do about one contract. That's not advice. I can't give you advice technically, but we teach people how to manage risk as well. So you're not going to be risking your entire amount on one trade. As a matter of fact, we're not going to risk 43 points. We start about 30 ticks, 30 points as risk. Once we're in a trade, we quickly move that. So very, very seldom will risk 30 points. We're looking for runners here. So here a trade is. We didn't actually put it where we wanted it. So we're just going to go ahead and close out of this. A quick little scalp of a couple bucks or $0 here. I did screw that up. So we're going to do that again. We're going to go in with two contracts. We're going to always put a stop loss in at 30. We'll adjust our profit taker here in a second. We're going to do a sell stop again when it breaks down below this last little area that it tested. So that's going to be 5925. So we're going to put that in as 25 here. And now we have a good trade that we're going to sit in. Easy trade here. We're just waiting for the market to break down. And if it continues to break down, there's no reason why it shouldn't break down to a lower level. When we come back over here and look at this, our actual take profit is probably in a good area here because we've had a lot of indecision happen in the area. So we don't want to be greedy with it. We'll just go ahead and leave it there. That's a $650 trade. We took 200 earlier. Again, our daily goal is about $1,000 or 100 points on two contracts. So this will get us most of the way there. We've already picked up at least 13 points. So add another 65 points to that, and we're at close to 80 points. We'll just need 20 more points to get our 100 points for the day. So that's why we call it trading made easy. We're not going to look to be super greedy. We're not going to look for the big home runs every time. But I'm gonna tell you what, guys. To me, a home run is if you can get 100 points every day out of the market, then that's a home run. That'll pay the bills. If you're just using two contracts in the Dow, that's $1,000 a day. So that's a pretty decent day as far as trading goes. This is brought to you by American Affluent Trade Room. You can go to AmericanAffluent.com and start a day trial for $10. And since you found us through the day trading tour, we will actually um, give you a week trial with 3 coaching sessions. So no matter whether you're a experienced trader or a brand new trader and just want to get better at trading, we can teach you that and we'll show you how to do it. So this trade, once price breaks down, if it does break down, we'll see it sell off. And what's likely to happen here, guys, is we'll probably put another buy stop in above the last tested area. These are easy trades to take just by looking at a chart and understanding the direction the chart that the market may go. I always tell everybody this: when you start see a smoothing out here or smoothing of your moving averages, that's a telltale sign that there's going to be a breakout one direction or the other. So we will end up putting a buy stop in above this last tested area, even though it's right in the zone where we think that the market will touch it and turn around, which it just did. So it's a lot scarier for us right now to put a buy stop in because we're not going to be able to see a lot of upside opportunity on that. However, we're able to see a lot more downside opportunity if we take this trade and if the trade enters. So that's with the American Fluent Trade Room. Like I said, go to AmericanFluent.com, sign up for the day trial. It's $10. We'll give you 1 week for just $10 and 3 coaching sessions. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos, and we'll start your trial at absolutely no charge to you. Again, like I said, we may come back with another video where we put a buy stop in, and we'll show you how to manage that trade once we're in it.